So here's how to download promotional videos of Aliexpress. It's pretty simple and easy to do, but make sure to watch the full video so that you don't miss out on any of the important steps. So first, what you need to do is open any of the products page on Aliexpress whose promotional video you want to download. Now right-click on the video, then click on Inspect. This type of box is going to appear after you'll click on Inspect. Now what you have to do is to look and find where it says Video Wrap. Then make this arrow a drop-down arrow by clicking on it. Now right-click on this link which says video.aliexpressmedia.com. Click on Open in New Tab. That video will appear here in the New tab. Now what you need to do is to click on the 3 dots on the bottom right corner of the video. Then click on Download. Now you can see here that the video has been downloaded. So in this way, you can download any of the promotional videos of Aliexpress. You can check this video out by clicking on this arrow and then clicking on Open. The video has been successfully downloaded into your PC or laptop. You can also check the folder in which it is downloaded. For this, you have to click on this arrow and then click on Show in Folder. Now here you can see that the folder in which it is downloaded has been opened.